Getting 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is one of the most hardest part of monetization. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to get 4,000 watch hours fast without ads, without bots, and it is 100%. Most people think that posting more videos equal to more watch hours, but that's likely a different strategy. Okay, so you can upload like 50 videos and you will still not be able to hit 4,000 watch hours. Okay, which is why the watch hours is not about quantity, it's not about the quantity of the videos, but it's more like how long people stay watching your videos. Like that is what we call retention, audience retention, how long people spend in watching your videos. That is what is going to generate the watch time for you. So it's not about the quantity of the video, but the quality and the value which keeps people watching that particular video. If you want to get 4,000 watch hours very fast and easy, then for now you should focus more on the long form videos. Post videos from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and this will help you to generate more watch hours very fast. Why am I saying this? Is because if 1,000 people are able to watch 6 minutes of your video, it is going to generate not less than 100 watch hours for you. Okay, and imagine doing that consistently. Imagine getting that same 1,000 people to watch 6 minutes of your video consistently. You are going to get 4,000 watch hours in no time. Yeah, so if your main target right now is to get 4,000 watch hours, then don't focus more on the short content. The short videos will get you a lot of views, but it doesn't really work much on the watch hours because the time is very short. Yes. So if your target is to get 4,000 watch hours, then you need to focus more on the long form videos. Post videos from 5 minutes to 10 minutes and let it be very catchy. Let it be interesting to build. Secondly, you need a high retention video. A high retention video is a video that will keep people watching. A fast and engaging video. Okay, YouTube algorithm pushes videos that people actually watch to end, even if it doesn't reach the end, but for a very long time. So for example, if your video is up to 5 minutes and one person is able to watch the video more than 30 seconds to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it means the retention of the video is very good, and the YouTube algorithm will recommend the videos to more people. So for you to keep your video engaging is to hook viewers with the first 30 seconds, meaning the first 30 seconds has to be interesting. And then you also cut out the boring parts of the video so that the video wouldn't look boring at all. Then you need to keep the video fast and engaging. So if people watches the video for a longer time, then the YouTube algorithm also will promote the video for you more. It will recommend the video to more people. So that is what makes the video a high retention content. So the final strategy is the binge strategy. And this one is very important. Don't just post random content on your channel. You need to figure out what your channel is all about and focus on it. At least 1, 2, or 3 topics is not bad, but don't just complicate your channel with anything at all, like posting anything like random things. No, your channel needs to have a direction so that people who comes in to watch one video will likely watch another video and also check out other videos as well. And like I always tell you in my other videos, create a playlist. create a playlist and make sure that every video in that playlist is the same related topic. And then you share the topic, you share the playlist, and the more you share the playlist, people comes in to watch one video, they'll watch another video, and that will help you to generate 4,000 watch hours very fast. Okay, so that is all for this video today, guys. If you're looking for more ways to grow your YouTube channel very fast, then this channel is best for you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.